Well, welcome to step two. Step two is all about discovering the dashboard. And now that you're logged in, whenever you click the Elim Christian College logo on the top left-hand side, you come to this two layout screen called the dashboard. Um, on the left-hand side, you've got all this stuff, which is your feed, whatever group or whichever class or course you are part of. You will see the posts down here. So you can see teachers are posting to their different classes, their work, and you can read your feed. Also, you will notice that on the right-hand side, you'll have some reminders. This tells me I've got a little bit of marking to do, and it's got upcoming dates that I've put into my different classes. So it's a calendar feed. And for students, it's a great place for them to start. I just want to walk you through some of these bits and pieces at the top here. The courses menu is where all the formal instruction, the curriculum, and content delivery happens in Echo. So when you click this one, you'll get all your classes, the tiles, and you can go straight into those. The second one is the groups, and groups are very similar to courses, except they're for the clubs and codes. So you'll see that here is a gardening club, here is a all students group, here is an English department. So we want to discuss or communicate with specific groups of people, we make groups. When we want to teach, we make courses. So the groups is the communication tool which ties the whole school together. The third one is resources, and resources is where we can curate all our content, and I'll talk a lot about this in a later session, but Echo gives the ability to see all our resources, share them, create them, and then from there we put them into our courses. The tools one over here, I'm not sure if we all have it, but it's just got some administrator kind of bits and pieces in it. So what I'd like you to do now is have a look at all these different bits on your dashboard. Remember, you can't break it. It's going to be fine. So go and discover, what does this little icon do here? If I type in somebody's name, what does that do? Here is another little button. Press that. Go and press this one here. Go and look at this little messaging button. And underneath the Screencastify logo, you'll notice if you press down here, you'll see a whole lot of bits and pieces to do with yourself. Go and have a look at all those bits and pieces, discover them, and I'll see you in the next session.